Okay, so this is the bathroom of the master bedroom. It's very nice. This is the master bedroom. This is my parents' bed. This is the walk-in closet. Clothes of Tim's. Moving on. Here is the laundry room. Here's our kitchen. Here's our counter. Here is our living room.
Well, yeah, we'll take it out of his room, but that's what I mean. We can set these up in the garage. We got a lot more stuff.
Front door.
Or we use them for something else, and it's, you know,
this is my room.
Maybe we should get out and let him do that.
I have a
Christian,
free
those
table.
shelves will be coming out, so don't worry about that.
This is Isabella's a nice bathroom. Mainly mine. This is Isabella's room.
Well, no, it's just a little too pink. Yeah. I like the carpet.
Now you know what our house looks like. Goodbye.